Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Makeover with Yashika. My name is Yashika Verma. Can we just take a few moments and just appreciate this heatless curls? Oh my god, I'm in love with this. Today I am recreating one of the most talked about red carpet looks from Cannes 2025, Alia Bhatt. Absolutely stunning silver embellished outfit paired with soft glam makeup and effortless waves. This look is the perfect blend of elegance and modern desi glam, and I am breaking it down step by step so you can achieve it too, whether it's for a special occasion, wedding or just a glam photo shoot. So stay with me for next 10 minutes as we go from bare face to full red carpet ready just like Alia. Alright, starting with the skincare because Alia's skin always look fresh and hydrated. So for that I am using Super Glow Moisturizer from Foxtale. This is very lightweight hydrating moisturizer. This is super important because we are not using foundation today, so we need the skin to look naturally plump and dewy. So I'm gently massage it and going to leave it for a few seconds so that my skin will absorb it. So for the extra within a skin glow, I'm using Swiss Beauty Illuminator cream. This cream is amazing. This is affordable, gives you amazing finish and give you amazing glow to your face. You can apply it before the makeup, between the makeup, or you can also mix in with your makeup. Like in you can mix it within your foundation, you can mix it with your blusher, so it give you amazing shining to your face. Doesn't look chunky, just give you a very hydrating base and looks amazing. Now here is a fun twist. I'm doing contouring before any base makeup. Alia's face had that soft definition, especially under the cheekbones and jawline, but nothing harsh. I'm using a cream contour stick here from the Sugar, and I'm going to apply it under my cheekbones, side of the nose and jawline. Then I'm going to blend it out well with a damn beauty blender. This gives us that sculpted look underneath but still keeps the skin looking very natural. I just love this trick to do contouring on your face before any base makeup. It doesn't give you a very harsh line, gives very natural effect on your face and makes your face looks lifted. So while I'm blending it, let's talk about Alia's outfit. It's truly defined red carpet fashion. The outfit featured a metallic mesh blouse with intricate crystal work and a dramatic cape style pallu that added a bold futuristic twist to traditional interview. Next up is blush. I'm using a blush from Swiss Beauty. It's a liquid blush from Swiss Beauty in the shade Flush, and taking a few drops of a Swiss Beauty Illuminator and going to blend it with the beauty blenders give you amazing finish to your face. This blush blends beautifully, doesn't give you a dry patches on your face, and the color of the blush is just amazing, and the most important thing of this blush is super affordable. So here's the Alia special, no foundation, just concealer. She like her real skin to show, so I am using a concealer. This is from L'Oreal Paris, and I am applying it where I need it. Under the eyes, around the nose, on my dark spots, around my mouth, where I have a dark spots or where I want to conceal my skin. So for that I am using this concealer. This shade is 312. I just love this concealer. This give you amazing finish to your face. It's a buildable. If you find that the one layer doesn't work for you, you can reapply the second coat and gives you amazing finish. It's a long lasting, does not going to give you a dry patches to your skin, and you can see by yourself it covers all my dark circles and my dark spots, give amazing finish to my face. Now I'm setting everything with a powder. This is from K Beauty translucent powder, and I just love this powder because it's very lightweight, give you amazing finish to your face. It's look like a airbrush actually on your face. So I'm just applying only under my eye so that the glow is still on my face. And for the extra glow and to touch up my blush, it's I'm using Swiss Beauty baked highlighter palette. This amazing palette is amazing for the daylight where you don't want a chunky highlighter, so you can go for this baked highlighter from Swiss Beauty, and you can see the glow on my face. Doesn't look chunky, doesn't look heavy, and I just love this one layer makeup look, really. Now moving to the eyes. So the Alia eye makeup, which was very soft, elegant and defined without being too loud. It's all about enhancing the eye subtly, so I am keeping it minimal but impactful. For that I am using Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette in the shade 01 and taking a light brown eyeshadow, going to blend it all over my lid and especially going to define my crease line, and then going to apply this pigment. This is a golden pigment and I'm going to apply it with my fingers. When you apply pigments with your fingers, give you amazing effect. It's become more pigmented. And now it's time to define my eyebrows. For that I am using a blue heaven eyebrow pencil. Defining eyebrows may took some time, but do it patiently because it give you amazing effect to your makeup. Looks very beautiful when you define your eyebrows, so just take a time and define it properly. I saw in her video that she applied glitters on her eyelids. So for the same I am using this beauty glazed eyeshadow palette from Amazon, taking this champagne golden shade and going to apply with my fingers, because when you apply glitters with your fingers give you amazing pigment. So after that I am going to just clean my crease lines, and then for the lips, her lips had a nude rosy tone. I am lining my with a soft brownish pink pencil. This is from my Glam. She applied lipstick and wiped it off, but this is not go with us because this will not give you a good effect, especially when you have a small lips like me. So I have to overline my lips. So after that I'm using blush. Yes, the blush, Swiss Beauty blush that I have applied on my cheeks. The same blush I am blending on my lips. The one product and a multitasking. I just love this product, and you will see how beautiful this shade will come. And then I have applied a little bit on highlighter for that glossy and juicy effect. Now let's complete the eye makeup because that was the most talked about the look. For that I am using a Rene Kajal, which is super pigmented and smooth. First I am applying it right along the upper lash line, not a thick line but more like tight line. This instantly adds depth and make your lash look fuller. For the lower lash line I am applying the same kajal very gently. This gives the soft definition without closing of the eyes. Next, I am applying black liquid eyeliner. This is from Maybelline. Right over where we applied kajal on the top lash line. This step is optional, but if you want the little extra intensity, especially for the photos or events, it really helps. Notice, I am not doing a dramatic wing or graphic shape, just softly following my eye shape and stopping at the outer corner. Time for mascara, which honestly brings the whole look together. I'm using a volumizing and lengthening mascara and starting with the upper lashes. And that's it for the eyes. Soft, defined and glowy, just like Alia's can red carpet look. Everything is blended, nothing too bold, but still make a statement. I genuinely love this look. This is so soft, glam and wearable look. This is so easy to do. I took only 15 minutes to complete this look, and this hair, oh my god, it take my heart. This is so amazing. It's look fresh, it's look glam, it's look classy. I feel like a Bollywood queen in that moment, because I've never stopped to look myself in the mirror that how beautiful this looks on me. This suits me a lot and definitely will going to suits you also if you do the makeup in this way, and if you do your eye makeup in this way. This lip shade is perfect, the glowing effect on my face is perfect, the wavy hairs, these hairs are heatless, and the tutorial, if you want the tutorial of this heatless curl, just let me know in the comment section below. I will share the tutorial how I did this overnight heatless curls in just 2 hours, and you will amazed to see the result. And that's it, this is the final look. If you love this look, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your glam squad, and of course subscribe for more celebrity inspired makeup look. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out any update. I will see you next time with another gorgeous look. Thank you for watching. Bye.